Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Night Light. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example you can change its intensity, and you can set up a schedule for it. You can set it on a custom time or just set it from sunset to sunrise. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.